Here's a super easy method to make over $100 right here at the comfort of your home. Here is more proof that this platform Partnerstack is legit, and my students have been cashing out. This is just one of my students in my group that messaged me that she made over $98 with Partnerstack. I'm just going to scroll down. You can see it right here. This is just one platform. If I go to the top, you find out that this lady has been making a lot of money from other platforms that I have continued to drop on my group. You can see this is it. She has been sending me this screenshot steadily. Some of these pictures are already gone. They are previous pictures, but this is real. Okay, if I go further to my update group, you find out that she also has been sending these pictures in this group to show proof that she has been making money from these platforms. So guys, don't joke with this. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Here again, we are going to be showing you another amazing strategy on how to make money by CPA marketing with this brand new website called Partnerstack. Now, if you can see here on the top right corner of my laptop screen, you can see that this statement reads like, wow, you have made over $175 using Partnerstack. And if I come down below, you'll be able to find out that I made this money as of July, which is just last month. Okay, so you can see that I made over $100, $30, $5, $15, and $25 from the strategy I'm about to show to you. And this is a CPA marketing strategy. Okay, this is a very good platform that you can jump into right now and start making a lot of money from CPA marketing. Now, Partnerstack is actually a software as a service, a SaaS marketplace where different softwares or different companies that offer softwares as solutions to businesses list their programs on. Now, here we are on Partnerstack, and you can see already this is a software as a service company called Corel, and you can see here they are offering lead intelligence platform to help business track and attribute leads, and for you earn $50 for every customer you help discover real. So once you bring any customer to this company, they don't need to buy anything. That's one good thing about CPA marketing. Once they can sign up, you are going to make $50. Now let's check this other one, Brand 24. This they give people the opportunity to discover the power of media monitoring, and you get 20% on every sale on an average. And this is where it gets interesting. You get $300 per every successful referral. So what does this platform give you? For every person you refer to this platform, you are getting $300. That means if you can refer 10 persons to this platform, you are getting over $3,000. Watch this video to the end, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are just new to this channel. Now, what you simply need to do is, for this program, you just hit on the join program and accept the terms of services. Now you'll be taken to the form or contact page where you'll be able to fill all the necessary requirements needed already. So I have my account on Partnerstack, and I'll just hit on the continue button. So I will be filling the necessary requirements, which you can see that these are not different or all things. All you need is your first name, your last name, then your email as asked, then you input your country, you select the country that you base in. This is a very simple application form. It doesn't take a lot of time. Then your website, you input your website. If you do not have a website, you can just go over to Google to the 4th and to the 10th or 20th page of Google. Just get a random email. Okay, so you can see here also they need us to get a link to our LinkedIn. Who is your audience? These are questions that they are asking. What makes you a good fit for Brand 24 partner program? So once you can just answer every of these questions, you'll be able to get access into this program. So what you simply need to do is, if you have a Facebook account, just copy your social media link, put it here, answer these questions, and apply for this program. So once you are done filling all the necessary details, you will now be directed to the application form, and you can see here that Brand 24 is reviewing your application. So all we need to do is wait for this application to be approved, and we will be able to promote our affiliate link and get paid for every referral. Now you can see I have earned over $175, and I have other programs that I just actually actively joined and I started promoting. So once you are here on this site called Partnerstack, you'll be able to find different kinds of offers that you can take advantage of. Some of these offers are mostly CPA offers, which can be referrals or sign up, like I just showed you in the previous example. And you can see earn $150 after your referral spend $250. So these are offers you need to target specifically. This is what you need to target. You need to target offers that pay you per sign up or per lead. This is typically CPA marketing. So when you are here on this platform, you need to focus on this platform. CPL offers are also here. You can see earn $500 per qualified lead. Okay, so I can keep on scrolling and scrolling and scrolling on this platform just to show you that this platform offers you various SaaS companies that are willing to pay you as little as $1 to over thousands of dollars for you to get customers to come into their platform. So this is just it on this platform, nothing more, nothing less. Once you are able to get approved on any of the program you apply, all you simply need to do is hit on that program. When you hit on that program, you will be directed to this page where you'll be able to see the active tasks and things related for you to do. Now you can see here I will get paid $25 if I can complete a TikTok offer on this program called Loom. If I can create and share a TikTok about Loom, I will get paid $25, and this should be done before August 30th. Now you can come over to the link section. This is where you'll be able to get your affiliate link. This is your affiliate link that you can simply copy and begin to promote on the various social medias available. You can also check out your performance here to know how far you have been performing, to track your record. This is what you need to do. You can see I was able to get over 11 paid leads, 7 leads, and currently 1 lead in this month of August. So you can also check out resources. If you own a blog or you own a YouTube channel, these are resources about the program. You can use these resources to promote the product. Maybe in your blog you can post content about it, post ads about it. These are all the necessary things you needed on this platform. You can also check the message center to communicate with the managers of this platform and get feedback from them. So basically this is just it. You can also see the referrals, your current referrals from this platform. You can see these are the referrals I got from this platform. So this is basically all you need to do. Once you get to the minimum required payment, which is $5, you head over to the rewards and withdrawal section. You'll be able to cash out your money via PayPal and other option by clicking on this. You can change your service provider. So basically this is all you need to know on this platform called Partnerstack. Make sure to check out this platform. It is a very good secret opportunity to earn money by CPA marketing. Come to the marketplace. You can also check out the various categories. If you decide to choose other subcategories like social media, sales and marketing to find other offers present in this category, you can do that by picking this. Okay, so if I go for the marketing, I'll be able to see categories related to marketing that I can choose and also promote here on this platform. So there is nothing much about this platform. Just make sure to promote offers that are basically offers that pay you for sign up or for referrals. This is the best way you can get the best out of this platform. Okay, so if I come over to the search bar and search for this program, you'll find out that these are the exact same kind of program that you need to target on this platform called Partnerstack. Okay, so these platforms are very, very necessary. These are the platforms that give you the offer to get paid for every sign up or any person you refer. You can see here you earn $200 for every new member you refer. And if I go up again, you see another offer that pays you almost the same to that. All right, so this is a very important opportunity. You need to jump into this platform. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video, guys.